Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon soufflé color, only way. Fold whipped egg whites into lemon curd gently to preserve air and color. Avoid overmixing. Whisk yolks with lemon zest and a touch of sugar until pale and smooth. Heat milk and lemon juice slowly, temper into yolks, then combine with meringue in 3 additions. Fill ramekins, chill briefly, then bake at steady heat until set with a golden top. Gather ingredients and prep calmly to keep the process joyful and precise. Whisk 3 egg whites to stiff peaks with 1 pinch salt, then set aside in a warm bowl. Combine yolks, 120 g sugar, lemon juice, and zest until smooth and pale. Slowly temper warm milk into the yolk mix to avoid scrambling. Cool the mixture slightly before folding with meringue to keep the color vivid and texture airy. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It makes following recipes from bed or kitchen so easy and readable. I find the size and backlight perfect for greasy fingers and late-night baking research. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use gentle heat and steady technique to preserve the soufflé color and lift. Place ramekins in a water bath to provide even moisture and prevent crusting. Start with a moderate oven so the center sets slowly while the top gains color. Resist opening the oven early. That sudden shock can collapse the soufflés. Once set, remove carefully, let rest briefly, then serve so the bright lemon hue and airy texture shine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.